A few months ago, I showed you an AI-powered PDF editor that I've been using personally, and that is UPDF. It has a lot of features that helps me finish all my projects efficiently with the help of AI. In this video, I will be doing a comprehensive comparison of the top PDF editors in the market: Adobe Acrobat, Nitro Pro, and UPDF, to help you decide which of these three will fit you better. Okay, let's do a quick recap of some of the basic features of UPDF to show you how easy it is to use. So if you want to edit a file, all you have to do is to drag and drop it here, and you can now start editing right away. That's how simple it is. It has a user-friendly interface and an intuitive design, so it's not intimidating for first-time users. On here, you can see all the editing tools. And as you scroll down, you will see a page viewer that shows you exactly what part of the document you are viewing. You can also view PDFs as a slideshow, a feature that Adobe Acrobat currently lacks. One of the best features that I love about UPDF is that it allows you to work whenever and wherever you want. It's compatible with a lot of platforms like Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. This gives you a lot of flexibility to edit your files not only in your home or office, but anytime, anywhere on the go. Aside from editing, we can also annotate. We can highlight text, underline, or even add important text comments. All you have to do is to click on highlight, select the color you want, and that's it. If you want to add text or comments, just click on this icon and then select the font style, color, and size that you want. UPDF also allows you to convert files to and from multiple formats like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and HTML without losing formats and data. You can also compress files into 4 different levels: maximum, high, medium, and low. You also have the option to save this file via the UPDF cloud. If you are using the free version, you only have access to 1 gig of cloud storage. But if you upgrade to the Pro version, that will give you up to 10 gigs of UPDF cloud storage access, which is a very good deal in my opinion. Your privacy and security is really important. You may want to limit the people who can access certain files. For those cases, you may protect those files by making it password protected. Lastly, you can harness the power of AI since this is an AI integrated software. Just highlight a part of the article you want to use, then either summarize or translate this entire part to the language you prefer. This is a pretty neat feature, especially for long article reading. Adobe Acrobat, on the other hand, is the pioneer and the most popular PDF editor in the market. It appeals to users with its extensive collection of tools and features. It also has a drag and drop feature like UPDF, which is really convenient. You can also edit and convert your files into multiple formats like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and RTF. But unfortunately, it lacks BMP, CSV, and GIF that you get from UPDF. It recently launched an AI assistant feature similar to UPDF. It can also summarize articles into focal points, but it's currently very limited since it's only on beta mode. But one of the biggest downsides is that it doesn't allow other parties to make edits on this PDF tool. It allows users to fill out forms in PDFs, but there is no way to edit text and formatting, making it unsuitable for a co-op work for a project unless all participants have Acrobat. Finally, we have Nitro Pro. It's a feature-rich PDF editor that makes it easy to prepare and share documents. A Microsoft Office ribbon-style interface with an excellent document conversion and multi-platform support. Nitro Pro also enables you to combine pages from multiple PDFs pages into a single file. When inserting pages, you can choose whether to insert an entire document or just a range of its pages. With all these features packed within this editor, it also takes up a lot of storage space. This app occupies almost 800 MB of storage, which is a lot compared to UPDF that only takes up to 400 MB. It doesn't even have AI support, which is one of the key advantages of UPDF. Finally, now that we've covered all of their features and advantages, let's talk about pricing. Adobe Acrobat costs $239.88 per year with a 2-device limit. Nitro Pro is a bit more affordable at $179.99 per year, also having a 2-device limit. For UPDF, it's priced at $208.99 per year. But if you click the link on the description box, you will get an absolutely crazy deal of up to 70% off and get a yearly subscription for only $62.99 with up to a 4-device limit. So in conclusion, after making a head-to-head comparison between UPDF, Adobe Acrobat, and Nitro Pro, it's evident that UPDF emerges as the clear-cut choice as the top PDF editor due to its affordability, user-friendliness, intuitive UI, and broad platform support. So that concludes our video. And I hope it helped you in choosing the right PDF editor that fits your needs. If you have questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to reply. So that's it. See you in the next one.